Hey guys, so this is the Babyhawk-R 2.5-inch upgrade kit from Taco RC or 3DPOWER, and this is one of the versions that comes with the side cages here for the frame. They have other versions with just the arms by themselves. In this case, they're separated arms. They also have versions with arms in two pieces, so the back arms would be one piece and the front arms would be one piece. And they have TrueX and StretchX versions. So check out their website. There's a whole bunch of different versions of different upgrades that you can get for your Babyhawk-R to get it up to 2.5 inches, which is what I highly recommend on those 1106 motors. I think you'll find that the power output is going to be much improved on something like this setup, as you've seen in my previous videos on the 2.5-inch Babyhawk-R upgrades. But this is just another way of going. In this particular build here, I just took my Emax Mini Magnum and put it onto this frame. These parts came from a different build, and I added these LD Power 1106 7600 kV motors. And I don't recommend getting these motors. The bearings are very bad in these motors. The power, the amp draw is huge on this motor, and the power isn't all that great for the amount of amp draw you get and the low battery life. So I'll put a link in the description for the motors, but I don't recommend getting them. I would suggest getting like the Emax 1106 6000 kV motor, the one that is meant for the Mini Magnum, or something like that, something similar like the 1106 HGLRC 6000 kV, or the Sunny Sky 5500 kV or 6500 kV. So I'll put links to all those in the description. As you can see here, the frame does take a Foxeer Aero micro, so that's the camera that comes in the Babyhawk-R. So if you happen to do a frame transplant, all the parts will fit into this, no problem. If you just get the arms only, there's also 3D printed canopies that you can print out on Thingiverse, and also they do sell the 3D printed canopies as well. I'll probably have another video in the future where I'll convert the side cage into one of the pod versions, and we'll see. And obviously I'm going to switch these motors out, so I'll have another version at some point in the future. But I'm going to go show you how this one this one flies. It flies okay. Because the motors aren't that great, the battery life is kind of not that great, and the power isn't that great. So it really boils down to the motors, not the frame or the other parts. I just don't like these motors at all, and I don't recommend you get them. But anyway, I'll go ahead and show you the flight footage. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.